Have you ever fumbled while speaking English language? Have you ever go blank when you speak publicly? So if you feel this problem in your life, then this video is for you. Okay, so in this video I'm gonna share you some ideas, some tips to become fluent in English. Okay, so my name is Kanalal John. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna share you how to become fluent in English and how to become confident in English that people will listen us. Okay, so let's start the video. Okay, so first of all you need to improve your listening power, because without listening you cannot understand any language. If you think about it in native language, it means if I talk about Hindi, first if I ask you that who taught you Hindi, then you don't have an answer. Why? Because when we went to school we listen many things, like if we go to school, then our teacher used to say us that यहाँ आओ, पानी पियो, स्कूल जाओ, ये करो, वो करो. So this kind of sentence we heard on daily basis, and gradually we start speaking all this sentence in our daily life routine. So this is the power of consistency, and this is the power of listening. If you want to become fluent in English, then you have to listen the language. And where you can listen, you can use any kind of podcast, any kind of videos. Maybe it is a movie, maybe it is a serial, and you can listen a music. Even music is a good option. Even you can listen any motivation speak which is available in English, but the content should be in English, because once you become used to of this language, then all the thing become easy for you. After listening, you have to mimic them. Mimic means if you listen any podcast, if you listen any song, if you watch any video, then you have to deliver in your own word. No need to copy, and no need to try to copy them. You just speak in your accent. Maybe if you are from other country and other part of the country, then your accent may be different, but you have to speak no matter what people think about you, no matter what they say about you. You have to just speak, because people only can say. If you have to change your career, if you have to change, build a bright career and bright future, then you have to ignore all the negative people who are saying that you can't do, you can't speak, you can't able to deliver the way you wanted. You have to ignore them. Once you start ignoring, they will automatically go silent, and you one day you think that how good you become in English and how you are in English. So just follow these tips. First of all, you have to listen. Then second one is you have to speak. Whatever you listen, you have to speak. And now after speaking, you have to reading, because reading gives you confidence. Reading build your pronunciation. Maybe first if I talk about that, I read a newspaper today. This is the first sentence. Okay, now I read the newspaper yesterday. Okay, so the spelling of read is the same, but the pronunciation is different. Why? Because one sentence is a present tense and second sentence is in past tense. So this make your pronunciation clear and more clear. And one thing also keep in mind that whenever you read any page, any copy, any book, try to read in loud. Don't read in your mind, because if you read in your mind, then your pronunciation is not gonna be clear. So if you wanted to read, then you have to read loud. Maybe try to read at least 15 to 20 minutes on daily basis. The next one is whatever you listen, whatever you speak, whatever you read, now write in your own word. It doesn't matter whether you're writing wrong or right, no matter, you have to write. Maybe at the starting you write wrong, no matter, just keep writing, because if you write, then you will realize that whether we should use is MR, whether we should use was were, and where we should use V1 plus ing. This will make sense in your writing. So by following four tips, you can easily learn English language. And for more video I will teach you in this YouTube channel that how to use helping verb, how to use main verb. So I will upload more video about it. But from today, if you want to become English perfect, if you want to become good in English, then you have to speak. You should work on your vocab, you should work on your grammar. By using all these tips, you will easily understand the English language, and once you become fluent in English, then people automatically start admiring you.